Hello, in this video we will show you how to add an IP camera to our Wi-Fi Plus kit. The kit allows us to assign a maximum of 4 IP cameras via Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi to be able to monitor areas of the home from the Monitor or Wi-Fi Plus app. Only Firmax IP cameras with reference number 9986 are compatible. The first thing to do is to connect our camera to the same router network as the Monitor, either to a switch or to the router itself. Next, we will go to the Monitor and open the Cam menu. Click on the following icon to add the camera. The following screen will appear, where, if we have correctly connected the camera to the same network, its information will appear. Click on the IP of the camera and fill in the following fields. We will assign the same name we want to the camera. We add the password, which by default is admin. We can activate or deactivate an alarm sound on the camera when motion is detected. We can select to capture a photo, image capture, or a video. For this, we will need an SD memory to store the files on the Monitor. Once the camera has been configured, we confirm the changes and return to the Cam menu, where we will see that our camera is now registered. To add an IP camera via Wi-Fi, we will first need to have linked our kit with a Wi-Fi Plus application account. Once this is done, in the Start menu, go to House Settings, Advanced Settings, and click on Add Cam to Monitor. Press the camera reset button on one of the cables and wait for it to complete. To add the camera, our mobile phone must be connected to the same network as the Monitor. Once the reset is complete, scan the QR of the camera. It will automatically detect the Wi-Fi network and its password so that the camera can connect. Press Next and the phone will start emitting a sound that you will have to bring within 10 centimeters of the camera for it to connect to the internet. When you hear a message from the camera saying, "Please wait for internet connecting," press Continue and wait for the camera to complete the connection. Once the camera has been found, we will assign it a name and press Next to complete the process. The new camera will appear on all monitors in the home, regardless of the monitor used to register it, as well as in the app. However, we can modify the following settings independently on each monitor. The eye icon indicates whether you want to have access to the camera display. We can activate or deactivate it. It is done. This icon is the alarm reception icon. If activated, we will receive an alarm on the monitor if it detects movement, and we will see the image of the IP camera. Pressing the camera icon allows you to change the initial camera settings. Once added and configured, if we go to the Start menu, we will see the Cam icon where we can see the image displayed in real time. The same is true for the Wi-Fi Plus application. If we do Auto Power On, we can switch from the panel camera to the IP camera. In this way, we already know how to add an IP camera to our Wi-Fi Plus kit. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you next time.